All right, today I'm working on this 2017 Ram Promaster. The issue I'm having amongst the several issues is that the door is sagging. And so with a sagging door, it kind of hits the jamb, but not always closes. So you can see where there's a little bit of wear there. First thing I'm gonna do is take this out with the screwdriver and then pull the plastic piece that's in the way on the other side. Once we pull that plastic piece out, then we could go ahead and get to the other side with the bit. So I can get to the hinge from right here. I got to get that piece of plastic out of the way first. So it looks like on this plastic piece here, that's the hinge is hiding behind. I ended up breaking this piece right here. You can see it's flapping there. So almost got it out though. Just have that one piece in the middle there. So I'm using my plastic to get it out. And we almost have it out. All right, so I got it out. Like I said, I broke that little piece right there. Goes on that little piece right there. But it looks like the rest of it is still good. So I'm gonna put that to the side. That's the cracked hinge right there. It's in pretty bad shape. So like I say, when I close the door, I have to make sure the door actually closes. So as you can see, I can actually get to those bolts really easily now. All right, so this is the hinge. As you can see, it's pretty thick metal, but over time it does, I guess, get damaged on these vans here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unbolting and slide that new one in there and put it all back together. All right, so I'm gonna use a 5/16. All right, so I'm gonna use just a regular Allen here. That's what these are, Allens. I couldn't think of it. And just because this one here is too tight to get a impact into it, it's gonna be really tight. Let's see if I can open the door a little more. So got these two here left. So you can see here where it's actually busted pretty bad here. I mean, it's in pretty bad shape. So came out pretty easy though. That's good. So anyway, as you can see here, um, there may be a little bit of, I don't know, that's cracking right there and right there. Might be some cracking, I'm not sure, but I would think the hinge is more of a problem at this point than anything going on here. So you can see where it needs to go up just a little bit. But things are a lot better than they were. I think it's going to help a little bit if I jack the door up while it's almost closed. So I can't use the hoist for that. Once I get it to where the striker is right in the middle, then that's when I'm going to close it. Or I'm going to tighten it up. So see, I'm making it go up now. That's about where I want it. Now that I think I got it perfect, now I'm going to run them in. So now I've got it together now. Put it back together with the plastic on the other side, and now it closes correctly. Just like that. So she's good to go now. Plastic, I was able to get it back in. It might be a little noisy with the wind going down the road, but it should be okay. So yep, she's back ready to go to work.